Today we're going to be looking at this trading strategy on the 15-minute time frame. We're going to be scalping using buy-sell signals on Tradingview. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're all going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at some brand new indicators that we haven't seen before here on Tradingview. I'm not going to be using the T3, which is a good step in the right direction. We're going to be on the 15-minute time frame on BTC USDT. So without further ado, let's get over to my computer. Let's have a look at these indicators. Let's backtest it all the way back to 2020 and see whether this trading strategy is actually profitable. If that sounds something good to you, why not subscribe to the channel? I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I also do live streams on Tuesday. And while you're down there, you can find all of the links to the David Tech strategies on davidtech.com down in the description below, where you can see all of the trading strategies live with an Excel spreadsheet. Right, let's get over to the computer. Let's go. Okay guys, here I am on Tradingview on BTC USDT on the 15-minute time frame. So we're going to start by adding the indicators to our chart so we can see how this strategy works. First of all, we're going to go up to indicators up here and we're going to search for Turtle. Trade channel indicator by David Tech. If you haven't already, you can go over to davidtech.com, go up to the top here and click free indicators. You'll find all of the free indicators that I'm talking about in all of my videos. Here, you just click on any one of them, add them to your favorites, and you'll be able to find them on your charts on Tradingview. So this one is our indicator today. It's the Turtle Trade Channel Indicator. It's a very simple buy-sell signal indicator, which is inspired by the Turtle traders. Turtle traders use the don't short channel, which allows them to create buy-sell signals. The don't short channel looks like this just here. It's a blue channel, and when price breaks over this orange line, we take our entries and we don't exit until we come back down below the orange line. Now I've made it a little bit more easy to understand with this indicator here. As you can see, we just have our long entries and our short entries, which gives us much easier understanding of the channel. So when price is above the green line and there's a long entry, we're going to be taking longs, and when it's red and there's a short entry, we're going to be taking shorts. But as you can see, there are tons of amazing entries just like this one here, which would have pumped up 3%, but there's lots of sideways movements like with any indicator where you would actually get stopped out more often than you would actually take profits. That's why here on David Tech, we create strategies and not indicators. We're going to be adding this as our baseline. Baseline meaning that when price is above it and it's green, we're looking for longs. When it's red and below, we're looking for shorts. We then add indicators to confirm our entries called confirmation indicators. The next step will be adding a volume or a volatility indicator to also confirm our entries, just giving us that extra layer of security in our trading strategy. And then finally, we'll be adding another indicator that will allow us to set a stop loss and a take profit level. Okay, now we have our baseline. Let's start adding some of the other indicators. The first indicator that we're going to be adding is the AI. The AI Sentiment Zero Lag by David Tech just here. We're going to add that one there. We're then going to also add the TDFI, which is the Trend Direction Force Index by David Tech just here. By adding those two indicators, your chart should look something like this. This one here with the stars is the AI Zero Lag by David Tech, which is an indicator that was developed for me, which is amazing and is also for free on the website. We also have the Trend Direction Force Index, which is another free indicator from David Tech. Let's have a look at these entries. Let's cherry pick an entry just here. As you can see, this entry looks great. We have a long signal here with a green background just here on the Turtle Trade channel. Our AI Zero Lag has turned green, and our Trend Direction Force Index has turned green as well. So we're going to take a entry on that candle just there, the following candle just here, and then we're going to add another indicator, ATR bands by David Tech just here. We're going to set the ATR bands to 3, multiplier upper and lower, boom, and we're going to set our stop loss to the ATR bands just like that. we're looking for a take profit of 1.3, just like that. Now this is a scalping strategy, so those take profits will be very small and you'll be in and out of the market as quick as possible. We will have a couple of predefined rules, as the ATR can sometimes get a bit out of hand. We'll have a maximum stop loss of 3% and a minimum take profit of 0.7%. That allows us also to trade leverage because our stop loss isn't too big. By having a stop loss that's not too big, it allows us to use leverage in our trading strategies. But not only that, and most importantly, it means that we will not liquidate our trading account in one single trade. Setting a 0.7% take profit is also important because you want to be able to cover for fees on every single trade and also make a profit. You don't want to be trading and giving all your profit away to the exchanges. Okay, let's have a look very quickly at a short entry. As you can see, we would have got in on the following candle just here. We have our short entry and the background is red. We have the AI zero lag in red here. We have the trend direction force index in red as well. Let's put a short on the following candle just here, and we're going to set our stop loss to the ATR bands, and we're looking for a take profit of 1.3. Boom, we would have only just made that trade, but it was a perfectly cherry-picked trade. Wonderful. Right, okay, I'm going to go away now and code this so we can backtest it all the way back to 2022 and see whether it would have been profitable. Okay, let's go.
Come on, David, and once again he's going to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Guys, before I go over to the backtesting results, I'd love to share with you the wonderful new website that the David Tech members and myself have put together. We made a Google Sheets where you can see all of the trading strategies in one single place and how they are performing on live trades. But not only that, you can actually go through the David Tech website and see how they're performing. These are all optimized by the wonderful members of my community. There's over 200 strategies, and the best part is you can click here to copy it over to your own Tradingview with the settings all set up ready to go. Or you can even press the copy bots button here, and that will allow you to set up your own trading bots, which will take all of the signals from this strategy and pull them over to your exchange with a couple of clicks. You can also look at the back testing results, the forward testing results, how it's performing on real live trades. As you can see, since we've started this trading strategy, this one has taken 11 trades, and over the past 90 days it's up 30%. Absolutely amazing. There's over 500 trading strategies on there. They can all be connected over to your exchange, like Bybit, for example, which is where I'm going to segue over to Bybit, who are currently doing an exclusive deal for the David Tech members. If you use the link down below, guys, not only will you get all of the big bonuses that offer Bybit when you sign up, but you also get a reduction on your trading fees, which is an absolutely huge edge on the market. Thank you to Bybit for doing that exclusive fee for our trading community. Right, without further ado, let's get over to the backtesting results of this trading strategy. Right, here we go, guys. Drum roll, please. Boom. Right. Okay, I know this looks absolutely incredible and unbelievable, but I have seen other trading strategies like this on David Tech, which I thought looked completely overfitted and actually are trading pretty well on the markets as well. So I'm not going to brush it off, even though it has absolutely outstanding backtesting results. Only forward testing will tell to see whether it works really well on the market. Let's have a look at these trade stats. Currently, this one has made 37,456% on 10x leverage. We have 1,543 closed trades. This is a real scalping strategy like I haven't seen for a long time, but we have a win rate of 54.12%, a profit factor of 1.27%, and a maximum drawdown of 35%. Considering it's on 10x leverage and the profit, I don't think that's too bad, but you can also, of course, tone it down by reducing your leverage. Let's have a look at the buy and hold. Of course, the buy and hold is 981%, which is amazing on itself, but when you compare it to the 37,000% of this trading strategy, it will blow your socks off. Right, let's have a look at the non-deep back testing results. As you can see, currently on the smaller type of data, we have 135% net profit on 214 closed trades. We have 56% win rate on local data, and a 1.3 profit factor. The buy and hold would have been 102%. We would have had 135%, which looks pretty good anyway. Let's go over to the magical table in the corner over here. And as you can see, some of the other stats, we have max wins in a row was 9, max losses in a row were 5. That was for local data, like I said earlier, which goes all the way back to the 7th of November 2023. Look at the entries. You can see entries here. They're doing pretty well. There was a loss there, a win there. We have a loss here and 2 wins in a row. Yeah, looking brilliant. Okay, guys, I know that looks absolutely unbelievable. Only time will tell when we put it into forward testing. Like I said, you can see all of the results transparently on davidtech.com. I have one last thing to do, and that is to give away 1 million bonk to a random comment on YouTube. Don't forget, guys, you can also enter by randomly comment something down below, maybe your favorite indicator or something like that. Right, let's give away 1 million bonk coin to the last video. Okay, we're going to be giving away 1 million bonk coin to a random comment from this video here. There was 24 comments. Let's go. Congratulations to you. Looks promising. Would be interesting to confirm on live. Thank you very much for your comment. And without further ado, guys, I'm going to wish you an absolutely wonderful weekend. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys, the elite backtesters, will come up with this trading strategy. Have a wonderful weekend. I will see you on Monday. Take care. Keep safe. Trade like a boss. And I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye. Bye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.